Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing these Vulture rubber keycaps. They're like alternatives to Tahoe, I'm guessing. So yeah, we're just going to be unboxing this. I got it today. So yeah, they come in a package. This time I got a magenta or kind of a pink. Today we're going to be doing unboxing and reviewing and a little bit of gameplay. These look really nice. It'll be good with my mouse that is coming in August. Oh, it comes with a keycap puller too. I already have one right here. Let's see what else. Nothing. So let's equip them to our keyboard. So the keycaps are 1 through 6, Q through R, and A through F, and it comes with 4 arrow keycaps. So we have them all right here. And so take the keycaps off. Alright, so I took off some of them, and we're just gonna be applying them. Oh, the RGB shine through this is actually really neat. And the texture feels like really nice. It feels like rubber, like really good made rubber. And it's like a kind of like an alternative of the Tahoe. So one thing that I noticed is the F key doesn't have like this like a little bump on J, so that's probably gonna be weird. I'm getting used to. So we got them on, and these I'm just gonna use as TG CMV. So these two are a little bit indented. This is how it looks. It looks really nice. It looks really nice in person, but I don't know how it will look in the camera. So yeah. So overall, wow. They feel really nice. Like, it's not smooth, but it's like a kind of a rough texture. And it feels like, so far, rubbery. It feels really nice. And I'll be doing some gameplay for you guys. So yeah, let's get to it. One thing I forgot to mention, if you're looking to purchase this, I completely suggest it. It looks really nice. The RGB shines right through it, and I kind of recommend it. It feels like a towel on your finger, but like rougher. Alright, one thing I forgot to mention too is it looks way cooler when it's like dark. I don't know why. I never asked. Okay, let's get to the gameplay.